This video shows you the ESOL Nexus website. Search Google for ESOL Nexus, N-E-X-U-S. Here it is. Now there are lots of different sections. You can see these menus across the page. If you want to, you can look at any of the sections, but some of it is quite difficult. If you're at entry 3, you'll probably find a lot of interesting video-based lessons in Video UK. English in My Home is quite good too. Be Safe UK. There are things about your rights at work. That's quite interesting, but again quite difficult, but should be okay if you're working at entry 3 level. If you're at a lower level, if you're a beginner or entry 1 or entry 2, start with the grammar and vocabulary section and have a look at beginners. Scroll down, select entry so that we don't see level 1 or level 2 lessons, which are harder, more difficult, and you can choose from any of the lessons that you see. Choose one that you think looks interesting. We'll have a look at shopping. Click start. Some of them start with a video and you can just play the video and then scroll down to see the exercises. This one and some of the others have a start link, and then you follow the screens through. So aims just tells you what the lesson is about and what you're going to do. Next. Here you can see there's something to listen to. So listen and read, and click next